Welcome back guys to another video. Today we're gonna see how to change a cover photo without notifying anyone on Facebook. Firstly, tap the menu button at the top right. Then tap your profile picture to access your profile page. Now tap the camera icon located at the bottom of your current cover photo. You can create avatar for a cover photo. Just make a digital version of yourself on a background. Also, you can upload a photo, select a photo on Facebook, or create cover collage. Now, locate the image you want to use, then drag the image to adjust its position as needed. Just tap Save or Use to set it as your cover photo. Facebook will notify your friends about the update. To stop this notification, quickly change the post's visibility to only me, or while updating uncheck, share your update to news feed. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.